Hi vlogs! As we promised in our fish market video, welcome back. And today we are unveiling a whole new vibe at the Almina plant souk, nestled right by the port. The fish market and the plant market both are only a short walk apart, make it super easy for one-stop outing. It's open daily from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. It's the perfect flow of destination for plant lovers. Most shop owners come from Indian or South Asian backgrounds, adding warmth and familiarity to the souk culture. It's not just shopping, it's a sensory experience. You'll find over 40 shops in total, offering everything for a garden: indoor and outdoor plants, pots, soil, seeds, and garden tools. It's a place where living energy thrives. The feeling here is magical, the sweet scent of flowers, rich earth, and often fertilizer blends with the soft chatter of shoppers. You name it, they probably have it. Alongside hardy outdoor plants from Thailand and Sri Lanka. Indoor favorites like aloe vera, ponytail palms, money plants, and low maintenance options are perfect for first time plant parents. Larger trees come in ceramic pots and usually cost between 100 to 200 dirhams, making them an affordable way to elevate your space. So we check out Hollywood Corner Flowers. That's shop number 19. It's popular for its friendly service, healthy plants, and reasonable prices. So once you come inside, you will see healthy plants and then you will be lost between plants. Let's go see indoor plants. You'll find household air purifiers like money plants, snake plants, palm trees, and more beauty and peace packed together. They also sell seeds. We gave some a try, though they didn't quite sprout for us. We bought some potting soil and curry leaf plant, a good combo for the kitchen and the balcony. We'll be showing you our own plants grown from these finds and also much more. Plus, an honest review on what works and what doesn't in UAE gardens. If you're planning a desert barbecue, you're in luck. Windows carry firewood, charcoal, even bamboo style barbecue gears. This is not just about plants. You'll also find decorative pots, bamboo screens, ornaments, planters, all the home essentials for a reasonable price. Plus, many shops offer good bargainings. Bargaining is a part of the culture, so don't be shy. And don't forget to bring some cash. Some accept card payments, but just in case, it's best to bring some cash. That's all about plants and the home essential side, which is inside the plant souk. We are heading straight over to the vegetable and fruits section. It's just nearby. Fresh produce, dates, fruits, and more are waiting. So join us to explore the full Mina market. So as you can see, locals shopping in bulk here, which makes the whole place feel even more lively. So that was today's deep dive into the Almina plant souk, an epic one-stop garden lover's heaven. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. We really hope you'll subscribe for more detailed vlogs like this. And happy planting! We'll see you in the next one. Bye!